Hi beauties, welcome back. The Some by Me AHA BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner has been a revelation for my skincare routine. As someone who struggles with stubborn dead skin cells and enlarged pores acne, this toner has truly been a game changer. Firstly, I appreciate the inclusion of natural tea tree extract, which not only aids in exfoliation but also contributes to overall skin health. The promise of noticeable results within just 30 days seemed ambitious, but this toner delivered on its claim. My skin feels noticeably smoother, and the appearance of my pores has diminished, resulting in a more refined complexion. I attribute these impressive results to the potent combination of AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs, which work together to slough off dead skin cells, unclog pores, and prevent moisture loss. Additionally, the presence of papaya and witch hazel extracts provides additional exfoliation and soothing benefits. I'm particularly impressed by the inclusion of adenosine and niacinamide, which target wrinkles and dullness, respectively. These ingredients, along with the tea tree water extract, help to address multiple skincare concerns simultaneously, making this toner a versatile addition to any routine. One of the standout features of this toner is its formulation with a pH of 5.5, which aligns with our skin's natural pH level. This ensures that the toner is gentle and non-irritating, even for those with sensitive skin like mine. In terms of application, I found that soaking a cotton pad with a moderate amount of toner and gently wiping it across my entire face was both effective and efficient. The lightweight texture of the toner absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. Overall, I highly recommend the Some by Me AHA BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner to anyone looking to improve the texture and appearance of their skin. Its powerful yet gentle formula, combined with its impressive results, makes it a standout product in the world of skincare.